How you going, guys? John here, the Ordinary Explorer. Today I'm going to do a first impressions of the new Crashpad Sleep System that I've got. Now, I got it about a week ago. It's still sitting in the box at home. I've got a trip coming up in 2 weeks now. It's going to be a big trip that I'm going to try this out for the first time. So I thought I'd get it out of the box and give you my thoughts on it as soon as I see them. Alright guys, let's check it out. Alright guys, let's have a look. Now literally, this is how it's come. I've opened the box once, just to make sure it's there, and that is it. Alright. There's your bag. What else we got? Little instruction, zipper maintenance. Are you a flasher? Whatever that is, flash the crash, and a nice sticker. Good quality sticker too. Put that stuff in the box for now. Right, here it is. First impressions is it's pretty bulky. I know that this can be 7 different types of sleeping bags is what they say, 7 different uses. So really it's got 2 big sleeping bags in there rolled up. So, but this will most likely live in my swag anyway, so size doesn't matter too much. Just undo these a bit, get to the good stuff. Alright, move back a bit for the big reveal. There you go. Right. First impressions is it's quite wide. It's nice and thick, really soft material. Oh, that layer there, I don't know how well you can see that on the camera, but that is like a really fluffy cotton material. It feels warm as. That's going to go good in a couple of weeks because where I'm going camping tends to be freezing, but you'll find out more about that soon anyway. Alright, first things first, undo the zip. Now, this is definitely brand colours for Crashpad, the nice vibrant orange, the black. It really is good looking gear, especially this, you know, this is really cool. Be interesting to see after a few good years of use how this holds up, but everything I've heard about these bags has been really, really positive, hence why I went out and bought one. Alright, let's open her up. Here she is now. The zips seem to function really, really well. I shouldn't be surprised by that, but there's so many sleeping bags out there where you pay half decent money and the zips they put on there are just crap, frankly. But yeah, they seem really good. They seem to actually just work. Just having a quick look, didn't want to get too in depth. One thing I want to do now quickly is fold it up, zip it all back up, and I'm going to try to put it back in the bag the way that it came. Alright, let's try to pack this thing up before my son covers it in milk arrowroot biscuit. Attempt number 2. All right, there we go. That is
my effort. It took me 2 goes to actually get it in there. It ended up shoving it in a little bit in the end, but it's probably going to be the last time I ever use this bag anyway. It's going to live in my swag. For those of you that are familiar with the Crashpad brand, you know they make really good quality swags, obviously sleeping bags, a lot of canvas gear and stuff like that. Now the bag that this comes with is obviously just a nylon. Oh, it's probably a decent quality nylon, but it is still a nylon. If you chuck this on a roof and it gets nicked on a bolt or something like that, it's going to tear, and it's not really going to protect your bag, especially it's not going to protect it from weather. I'd really like to see a canvas bag option for this. I think that would be fantastic. Okay, so that was just a quick little look, my first few little opinions on this before I try it out in a couple of weeks. I will do a follow-up to this video just telling you how it went on my trip. It's going to be 3 nights in the cold testing it out, so I should have a fair idea of whether it works or not. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay ordinary. Bloody hell, that's a bit ordinary.